Ever since wrapping my hands around the original Saints Row, I wanted to be part of the franchise. So, when I saw that the developer was looking for a new producer to complete the game, I knew it was the perfect opportunity for me. After all, I'm the best finisher in the business. So, we developed a game with limitless possibilities, starting with our expansive customization options.
You're next.
Wait, what?
Intense, over-the-top combat. And co-op gameplay. Over the next few weeks, I'll be showing you all about how we've designed Saints Row 2 from the ground up. Stay tuned to the Saints Row 2 Tara Patrick Dev Diaries, and I'll show you how I'm taking this game to a whole new level.